Hi, boys. It feels very cold out because that wind is blistering. It's supposed to be a high of 54 today. It's 41. Why does it feel cold? No, Lucy, stay down. My hands are beet red. I'm very cold. That's Lucy, stop. That's Michelle, Jasper, Daisy, Junior, who's for sale, Lucy, and Sandy. We're keeping everybody but Junior. I mean, we'll keep him until he gets sold, but he's not here to stay as a herd because he's too closely related to everybody. And Jasper, when he gets old enough, he'll be put in with the bigger boys. But for now, he'll just stay in the kid pen. Daisy. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Sandy, Sandy, Sandy. Daisy, Daisy. Michelle. Michelle. Go, Lucy. Lucy. Jasper, where's Jasper? Jasper. There he is. There's Jasper. There he is. Comes a little chunker. The baby's jumping all over ya. My hands are froze. I got them in my pocket. They're trying to chew on me. Look how red they are. They're cold. Junior, you're not helping me, big cub. Sandy. Jasper. Hello, Lucy. Daisy. Daisy, girl. Daisy. Yeah, hi, girl. Okay, there's the rest of the herd. Everybody's inside because of the blistering wind today. Davis. But everybody's inside. I'm still getting beat up on. There's Ariel. My husband's got to clean their pen out this weekend. There's Carrot over there with her head up against the wall. Hey, there's Cal. I didn't even see her not in here. Someone is beating on my back. Who is it? Daisy? Daisy? Oh, Junior. Okay, everyone. We're going to call this video a short one. It's not very long. And we will see everybody. Somebody's beating on my back. What is that? Daisy. We're going to call this a short video. We're going to say thank you for watching. And hope to see you on our next one. We will say goodbye for now. Stay warm where you're at. Hopefully the weather's good. They are calling for that Arctic blizzard westerly to be hitting some of the west parts, or northern west parts I should say, of the states. So hopefully everybody's safe and stay warm. God bless.